Yeah, hope everyone can hear my voice. Who all joined? Lavanya and Sushrut. Okay, Ramcharan and they'll also join. Just 1 second. Okay. So, I'm sharing my screen. So last class we discussed questions based on where it is. Yeah. Last class we discussed questions based on fundamental theorem of calculus 1 and calculus 2. I asked you to solve the questions. So you have any doubts in these questions, please let me know. I'll discuss them. If you say you don't have any doubts, I'll move on to the next topic. If you have any doubts, all of you have any doubts, please let me know. I'll discuss them. If not, I'll move on to the next concept. Anyone has any doubts in any question, please let me know. I'll solve them to you right now. If you don't have any doubts, I'll move on to the next question. Hope my voice is clear. Yeah, you can unmute and ask if you have any doubt in any question. Lavanya, I'll send you this book. So after the class, you remind me once, I'll send you the book. I'll also tell you what to do. Don't worry, you'll get it out. Okay. Calculus, BC or AB, everyone should get 5 out of 5 here. You are all staying in Vijayawada and close, so I'll keep you offline. Last 20-25 days, I'll give test every day. I'll discuss with you the way to solve questions. So calculus BC, though, nothing to worry. Pakka, you'll get 5. I know how to get it. I know the process. We'll do that. Right now, you have any doubts? If you don't have doubts, means you are not doing it. If you do sincerely, definitely you'll have doubts. If you think you don't have any doubts, we'll move on to the next concept. But for few of you, again, I want to write all the formulas of integration. Yes, differentiation we can do later on. Again, I want you to write once the formulas of all integration. I want you to write once again all the formulas, most important. So please write. Even Sushruti, you also write all the formulas which are required if you are aiming for 5 out of 5, and everyone should have by hearted this. So the first formula in integration is Ramcharan, you also write once again x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, always plus c will be there. Why? Because derivative of this is this integration. Derivative of x plus 2 is 1. Derivative of x plus 3 is 1. Derivative of x, whatever the derivative you do, you get answer as 1. Okay? So always the answer is 1. So xc will be always there when you are doing integration. What is integration? Opposite of differentiation. So what function you need to differentiate so that you can get integration. So integral of 1 by x dx is ln mod x or log mod x base c plus c. Integral of e power x dx is, all these formulas should be in your brain. Integral of a power x dx is a power x by ln a, or log, when I say log a base c, ln a plus c. These are the 4 basic, which will be given in your exam paper. In physics also, they give all the formulas. But in calculus, they give few formulas. These 4 and 4, few more and basics of integration. Not sufficient. So and even not required to go always back and look. They give only few formulas in exam paper. Like SAT, they give few formulas of area volume, right? So similarly, they give few questions here. So we'll see. Now, other formulas that you should know, integral of sin x dx is cos x plus c. Integral of cos x dx is minus sin x plus c. Wrong, right? Yeah, cos x correct. Integral of sin x is minus cos x. Sorry. Yes. Integral of cos x is what function I need to differentiate. Cos x integration is sin x plus c. Integral of tan x dx is log mod. When I say log, it is ln. Log mod x plus c. Integral of cot x dx is ln mod sin x plus c. Integral of secant x dx is ln mod secant x plus tan x plus c. Integral of cosecant dx is ln mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. We should remember all these here. Integral of secant square dx is tan x plus c. Integral of cosecant square dx is minus cot x plus c. Integral of secant x into tan x into dx is, please write, even though you know, please write, integral of cosecant x into cot x into dx is minus cosecant x plus c. These are all trigonometric functions which you as a student should know. Then inverse trigonometric functions, integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx is sine inverse of x plus c. Integral of 1 by root of x square 1 minus x square minus dx is cos inverse of x plus c. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is tan inverse of x plus c. Integral of minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is cot inverse of x plus c. Right in the same order that I am writing, integral of 1 by mod x root of x square minus 1 is 1 by mod x square root of x square minus 1 is secant inverse of x plus c. Integral of 1 by minus 1 by mod x square root of x square minus 1 into dx is cosecant inverse of x plus c. So these are the formulas which you as a student should know. So there are more. Please write all these formulas in the same order, and you need to remember like this. First basic functions that I wrote, then the functions that I wrote for trigonometric, You need to remember in the same order that I wrote here. So first basic functions, then all trigonometric, then all inverse trigonometric. I have more formulas. I'll write all the formulas of integration that you should know, which are important. Everyone please write in one paper and read every day once. More and more you are familiar with this. Concepts are more important. I want to do something, I forgot. More functions. I'm moving on to the next page. Let me know once I can move on to the next page. You can chat you can type or you can unmute and let me know. I'll write more formulas. Please let me know. Can I move on? If I can move on, I'll write next formulas. Please type it here once. Everyone just type it once. Be active in the class. Sushrut, Lavanya, Ramcharan typed. Okay. Now I'm writing the next formulas, next set of formulas in integration that you should know, which are important. Integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. In most important formula for multiple choice, I'm frequently seeing most of the students are getting these questions. Every year they are getting questions. I meant every year the students are getting questions. 1 upon x square minus a square into dx is 1 upon 2a ln mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. No need to by heart, but it takes a lot of time. You need to divide, you need to take partial fractions, simplify by all that. If you remember, it saves time. Now we'll do some questions on all these. Okay. So now integral of 1 upon a square minus x square into dx is equal to 1 by 2a ln mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. Integral of 1 upon x square plus a square into dx is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. Integral of dx by root of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse of x by a plus a. Integral of dx by root of x square. All these are formulas. Every day ln mod x plus root of x square minus a square. They should be there in your brain. So I wrote a square minus x square minus a square, then x square plus a square. So integral of dx by root of x square plus a square is ln mod x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Minus minus plus plus both are same. You under root. Copy this. I have 5 more important formulas. I'll write them and few more formulas. Everyday practice. Make it a new sheet. Attach it to wall, and every time, whenever you get time, please go through them. More and more you are clear with this, it becomes easy for you to do some difficult questions. Let me know once you are done. I'll write 5 more formulas. They are lengthy formulas, so I need entire page. I'll go to new page. Can I move on? Just type it in the chat box. Or unmute and tell me. I'll move on. Please confirm if I can move on. Okay, once you write, you just confirm to me in the chat box. I'll move on. Okay, good. I'm moving on to the next page. So most important formulas, bit difficult. You need to be very careful. Now, not in denominator. So far, you have seen everything in denominator. Now, everything in numerator. Integral of x square minus a square into dx is x by 2 into root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 ln mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Plus c will come everywhere. Integral of root of a square minus x square into dx is same formula x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c. Integral of root of x square plus a square into dx is x by 2 into root of x square plus a square by 2 into ln mod x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. These are all in numerator. X square minus x square plus a square minus x square is only sine inverse of x. We have 3 more formulas, a few more, but 3 more are most important. Suppose if I have integral of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. All the formulas that I wrote, you won't get at one place. So please write most important. So you need to write px plus q as a into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c. Whether you understand or not, no problem. Just please write now. Slowly, everyone will get it off. Hold up. I'll know how to make you get hold of. It takes just time. Even if you have under root, you need to do the same process. If you have px plus q by under root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx, you need to write px plus q as a into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Means same formula, whether you have root or same thing, you need to do the same thing. First, you need to write like this, solve for p and q, then automatically you'll get answer. We will do. First, learn what I am teaching. Next, everyone should know integral of uv formula. U into integral of v minus integral of u dash into integral of v. Last one. Integral of uv formula is u into integral of v minus integral of u dash into integral of v. Please write all these formulas at one place. If you know all these formulas, you will be very comfortable to solve many questions. Once we apply concept, next is formula only, right? And integration you get in 12th. None of you are in 12th, so you generally get confused. So that is the reason I gave you all the formulas at one place. Most important, just write all the formulas neatly in your notes. UV means nothing, two functions like integral of x into sine x. So which is u, which is v, or integral of e power x into sine x, two functions. You need to take one function as u, one function as v. Which function to take as u, which function as v is Eilert rule. Eilert rule. You need to use Eilert rule. So inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. If inverse function comes, that is u. If logarithmic function comes, first that is u. Here e power x is exponential. So you should take it as sin x is trigonometric. So sin x has more preference than exponential. So sin x is u and e power x is v. Gautam, what here? Unmute and ask me.
Sir, in that fourth formula, p plus q by ax square plus bx plus c is there, no, sir?
Whenever you get question like this is the first step. You need to start like this. You need to take px plus q as a into derivative of ax square. This is what you need to do first step. After that, we'll see what to do. When I'm solving questions, you'll come to know what to do. Okay, please write these formulas.
Okay, sir.
So integral of uv is u into integral of v minus integral of u dash into integral of v. What is u? What is v? You need to follow I late. I am late. Whichever the function comes first, that is u. Suppose if I take sine inverse of x, integral of x into sine inverse of x. Sine inverse of x is inverse function. X is algebraic function. Sine inverse has more preference than this. So sine inverse is u and x is v. This is how we need to do. You'll get everything, you'll get hold on. First write the formulas. Don't try to learn everything in one go. You'll not learn everything and you'll leave calculus. Calculus is difficult for many students because they don't learn in the way it should be learned. If you learn in the way it should be learned, it is very easy exam here. Very easy. I'm promising all the students in my class will get 5 out of 5. Don't worry. That is my responsibility. But first write the way I'm teaching you.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me here.
sir, in the beginning you told integration of u is u integral of
V
minus
minus
u
integral of u
integral
dash
of
into
u dash
integral of V.
v dv, no, sir.
Wherever V is there, dV will be there automatically here. V
Uh-huh.
means dV.
Sure.
Wherever x is there, automatically dx will be there. So similarly, wherever V is there, automatically dV. V means it is a function of V, I meant. So don't get confused, just write the way I wrote it here now. So integral of uv is u into integral of v minus integral of u dash into integral of v. So whenever I have two functions, I need to use this formula, and which one to take as u, which one to take as v. You need to remember I am late, inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. Whichever the function comes first, that is u. So if I have a function like e power x ln x, this is exponential, this is logarithmic. Logarithmic has more preference, so this is u. Exponential function has less preference, so this v. Our logarithmic comes before exponential, so this is u, this is v. Please write. Once you are done, tell me. I'll, based on whatever I wrote on the board, I'll give you some. We'll do few questions, then we'll go back to that book. This book is my Bible. This book is my Bible. Please check now. Please tell me now if completed. I'll move on. Whatever I wrote on the board, if you have completed, please type in the chat box. I'll move on to the next. We'll do few questions. Okay, good. I'm moving on. So now, based on what we learned, direct to formulas, I'll try to give you some questions. Please look carefully. Where is this? Ah, okay. Suppose if I have integral of e power x into sin x plus cos x into dx. So answer is e power x sin x plus c. Why? Because I gave you one formula, integral of e power x f of x plus f dash x. Please see the formula, most important. Whenever you have e power x and something, answer will be e power x sin x. Don't confuse yourself. Please see the formula that I told you. E power x, f of x is sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x. Next question, integral of e power x into 1 by x minus 1 by x square into dx. Answer is e power x into 1 by x plus c. Why? Because if f of x is 1 by x, what is the derivative of f of x? Derivative of f of x is minus 1 by x square. So if this is f of x, so it automatically becomes f dash x. So e power x into f of x plus f dash x. So answer is e power x into f of x plus c. Now I'm giving bit difficult question. This I'm explaining why, because you get e power x into x by 1 plus x whole square into dx. This is bit difficult question. I'm giving you 1 minute. Try to solve. If not, I'll solve it and show it to you on the board. All of you should solve and show it. Try to 1 minute maximum. So this is bit difficult. See, whenever e power x is there, see, bit difficult question. I'll write it as x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Now I can split it as e power x into x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square into dx. Maths, no, you need to have bit out of thinking knowledge if you want to do questions. This is not calculus, this is algebra, simplifications. More and more you are good at simplifications, it becomes easy. So now take f of x as 1 by x plus 1. So f dash x is minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. So if this is f of x, this is f dash x. So this becomes integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash x into dx is e power x into f of x, which is e power x by x plus 1 plus c. Okay? So which function you need to differentiate to get, if you don't know anything, and which function you need to differentiate to get to the answer. At least you can do, but it takes a lot of time. If you are not able to do any question on integration, don't worry. Look into the options and see which function you need to differentiate to get to the answer. There is another way to solve a question. So direct formulas, these are called direct formulas. If you know the formulas that I taught you, immediately you can do these questions. All integration formulas. Write it neatly on your one paper and attach it to your wall. Every day read once. If you read for 30 days, 31 days it will be fixed in your mind. All the formulas, all 30, I think approximately 30 formulas I told you. All 30 formulas should be in your brain. Okay. I'm giving one basic, not basic, direct formula question. Please see. I'll give you 2 minutes maximum. If not, I'll explain it. Integral of dx by x square minus 6x plus 13. I gave you an integration question. Please try to solve. See, don't think this is calculus here. Calculus is nowhere in this. Everything is algebra and math. I can write dx as x square minus 2 into 3 into x plus 3 square minus 3 square plus 13 integral of dx by x. This becomes x minus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 13 is 4, which is 2 square. If you observe carefully, these are the form integral of 1 upon x square plus a square. So what is the formula for 1 upon x square plus a square? 1 upon a tan inverse of x by a. A here is 2, 1 by 2 tan inverse of x minus 3 by 2 plus 6. See how simple is this. But to look, it is so complicated. But the moment you solve, it is very simple. But you should be good at formulas. Without formulas, nothing comes out. Without hard work, nothing comes out. Every people say that you need to work smart. But reality is you learn smart work only after doing hard work. So first do hard work, automatically you learn smart work. Next question. Copy this. I'll go on to the next question. See, can I move on? I'll move on. So like this formula-based questions will come. My only intention is don't worry by looking into the question. All will, whenever I have integration, it is direct. It is like your intermediate. All formulas will come under formulas. So first learn the formulas. Now take the book. See the book. See the questions that they have given in the book. Last class I explained fundamental theorem of calculus and one, and integration means area under the curve. If you did not understand, we'll get back. Now it is same as like integration, but piecewise integration. So they gave this question and they are asking you to find what is integral of minus 1 to 3 f of x dx. Piecewise means splitting into two parts. Because this function is differentiable only for minus 2 to 2. So you need to split this function into minus 1 to 2, because from minus 1 to 2, this is the function f of x dx plus integral of 2 to 3 f of x dx. So minus 1 to 2 is integral of minus 1 to 2 is 8 minus x square into dx. Integral of 2 to 3 f of x is x square into dx. Now solving in seconds. So integral of 8 is 8x. Integral of x square is x cubed by 3. Please learn the formulas. Integral of x square is x cubed by 3. This is 2 to 3. This is minus 1 to 2. Okay, hope everyone understood. Please do and tell me answer. 16 minus 8 by 3 upper limit. How to do integration? Upper limit minus 8 into 2 16 minus 2 cube 8 by 3 minus now lower limit 8 into minus 1 minus 8 minus 1 cube, so plus 1 by 3 plus 3 to 2 3 cube by 3 minus 2 cube by 3. 16 minus 8 by 3 is 48 by 3 is 40 by 3 minus Minus 8 is minus 24 plus 1 minus 23 by 3 plus 27 by 3 is 9 minus 8 by 3 40 plus 23 plus 27 minus 8 by 3 27 minus 8 is 19 59 79 82 by 3 2 threes are 6 22 27. So this is a number which lies between 24 and 32. It is an ఇవన్నీ మీరు ఓన్ గా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా చేయాలి, ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ చేయాలి. ఇవన్నీ డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములాసే. నేను ఇచ్చిన ఫార్ములాస్ కనుక మీరు చేసుకుంటే ఇవన్నీ డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములాసే, అన్ని డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములాసే కాదు. ఇది ఎక్స్ట్రా నాలెడ్జ్. స్ప్లిట్టింగ్ ఎందుకు చేయాలి? క్లియర్ గా ఈ ఫంక్షన్ రెండు పార్ట్స్ గా డివైడ్ చేశాడు. -2 to 2 లో ఇదంట ఫంక్షన్, అది ఆడిష్టం, అలా బిహేవ్ చేస్తుంది, మనం ఏం చేయలేం. సో ఈ ఇచ్చిన దాన్ని ఈ ఇంటర్వెల్ లో స్ప్లిట్ చేసుకోండి. సో -1 to 2 ఈజ్ వన్ ఇంటర్వెల్, 2 to 3 ఈజ్ అదర్ ఇంటర్వెల్. ఆరాంగా చేయండి. ఎక్కడైనా మిస్టేక్ వచ్చినందుకు తొందరపడద్దు. ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ అయిందో ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకోండి. దట్ ఈస్ ద వే ఎవ్రీ వన్ విల్ గెట్ 5 out of 5 in any subject, not only in maths. Do on your own, read theory. If you don't know, see where you are making mistake. So I'm moving on. Now see this question. For x less than or equal to 1, this is the function. For x greater than 1, this is the function. So 0 to e can be written as 0 to 1 f of x dx plus 1 to e f of x dx. 0 to 1 is, why I split it? Because clearly they are saying this function for x less than or equal to 1, x for x greater than 1, 1 by x. So integral of 0 to 1 f of x is x dx plus 1 to e for x greater than 1, 1 by x dx. Integral of x is x square by 2. 1 by x is ln x. 1 by 2 plus ln e minus 0. 1 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2. Step by step, you start going on. Only the logic here is for piecewise functions. You need to split in that interval. That is only the logic here. Then you need to do integration as usual. Learn all the formulas that we discussed. You'll be able to do integration. There are some students who just completed 10th. For them, cos pi x into dx. You should not take it as cos x. This is pi x. So you should take pi x as t. So pi into dx is dt. So integral of cos t dx is dt by pi. 1 by pi integral of cos t dt. Now 1 by pi integral of cos, what function I should differentiate? Sine. So sine t plus c. But the sine t is, we just learned pi x. Sine pi x plus c. 1 by pi will come outside. So don't get worried if I have something other than direct formulas. If you have pi x or 3x or 4x, take it as t. Then differentiate both sides. You'll be able to get answer. Everyone do this question and type your answer in the chat box. Everyone should do this. 30-second one. Okay, so should give me answer. Yeah, this one, this one, 32nd one, integral of root 3 into, please do this question, integral of root 3 into 4 minus x square dx. So should give answer again. We'll see whether it is right or wrong. If you see my formula, the list that I gave one formula integral of 1 upon root of a square minus x square into dx, which is sine inverse of x by a plus c. So integral of 0 to root 3, 1 upon root of 4 can be written as 2 square minus x square into dx, which is sine inverse of x by 2 plus c. But no need to write c because it automatically gets cancelled. 0 to root 3. So sine inverse of root 3 by 2 minus sine inverse of 0 by 2. Sine inverse of root 3 by 2 is 60 degrees. Sine inverse of 0 is 0. 5 by 3 is answer. 5 by 3 is your answer. Very good, sister. See, direct formula. This is all మిగతా ఎన్ని క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్. ఈ ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ మీకు క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ రావడం కాదు, మీకు ఇది రావట్లేదంటే ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీయో అది రాదని అర్థం, క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ రావని అర్థం, అంతే. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ రాదని అర్థం కాదు. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఇది ఒక స్టెప్పే. ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ దిస్. మిగతా అంతా ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ క్యాలిక్యులస్. రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్ దట్ దిస్. So math is a topic which don't leave you. You should not work for marks in maths because you continuously applying those concepts. So pi by 3 is your answer. So yeah, now do this question. Seventh one, direct question. Integral of 1 by, you'll get like these questions. All these are actual questions. You'll get like these questions. Sin inverse of x by a, direct formula. Sin inverse of x by a. A is answer. So sin inverse of x by 5 plus c is answer. Because integral of root of a, same as this. Sin inverse of x by a. What is a here? 5. So learn the formulas. If you learn the formulas, you can do many questions. Please see this integral of 5 by 1 plus x square. Take 5 out, you'll get 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. You can write 1 as x square. 5, I can also write it as x square plus 1 square into dx. So 1 upon x square plus a square. See the formula that I told you. 1 by a is 1 into tan inverse of x by a. 5 tan inverse of x plus c. That is the answer. 5 tan, arc tan is same as tan inverse. Some books will write arc tan, some will write tan inverse. Both are same. Arc tan is same as tan inverse. There are different ways of writing the functions. Now please see this question, 43rd question. What you need to try to do is, this I'll explain right now. Okay, you can't do. By next class, you revise all those formulas. That's the first basic thing you need to do. Then slowly I'll tell you how to do this. Please see this question. Arc sin x means what they're asking. What is integral of sin inverse of x into dx? So you need to write it as, you can write it as UV rule, 1 into sin inverse of x into dx. One is algebraic function, inverse function. So this can be written as UV rule, UV. This is U because inverse trigonometric function, this is U. So what is the formula that I told for integral of UV? U into integral of V minus integral of U dash into integral of V into dV. U is sin inverse of x into V is 1 here, 1 into dx minus integral of U dash. What is the derivative of sin inverse of x? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Integral of 1 is x. Integral of 1 is x, so this can be written as x sin inverse of x. Minus, if you see this, this becomes x by root of 1 minus x square into dx. You can do this question in two ways, but the best way is take 1 minus x square as t. This is the best way. Differentiate both sides. Minus 2x dx is dt. So dx is minus dt by 2x. Substitute everything here. So x sin inverse of x minus x is x. I took root of 1 minus x square as t. Dx is minus dt by 2x. So this becomes, I'm simplifying only this, minus will go out, plus integral of 1 by root t dt plus t power minus 1 by 2 dt, which is t power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, which is 2 root t. But t is 1 minus x square. So answer is, sorry. They did not even simplify this. They did only till here. I'm not even seeing answer here. So they did only till 50% of what I did. I'm going on doing more simplification. So if you see this question, x sin inverse of x minus x dx by root of 1 by e for elephant is answer. They simplified only till here. I'm doing more. So x sin inverse of x minus x dx by root of 1 minus x square into root of x square into dx. See how simple it is. Just formulas if you know and you have bit basic logic, you'll be able to do questions. Okay. Yeah. Now, these are some basic questions. You can revise solving these questions. Now, there are some properties. I'll teach those properties. Please write properties of integrals also somewhere. Most important properties of integrals. Keep heading as properties of integrals. So there are some properties of integrals which you should know. So keep writing as properties of integrals. So first property, integral of a to b. Please write the way I'm just writing. First write it. Integral of a to b f of x dx is same as integral of a to b f of t dt. If I change variable, it is not going to change me anyway. Next is integral of a to b f of x dx is minus integral of b to a. If you change limits, minus will come first. Next, piecewise functions. I did right now. Integral of a to b f of x dx can be written as integral of a to c f of x dx plus integral of c to b f of x dx. Integral of a to b f of x dx can be written as integral of a to b f of a plus. These are formulas, so don't think too much, just write them. You can write these also along with the formulas. So corollary of this, integral of 0 to a f of x dx can be written as integral of 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Next property, integral of 0 to 2a f of x dx can be written as 2 times integral of 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. So this can be written as 0 if f of 2a minus x is minus f of x. After this class, I'll send you this recording also. Was this 4 times, 5 times, 10 times? Because this is basic of integration that you should know, mainly these formulas and properties. Most important. We have one more last formula. I'll give you hint for next questions and next questions. You can try and do, but don't worry if you can't do. Next class I'll do. Tomorrow, actually, I would like to have class, but my grandmother passed away a few minutes back. I got a call. So if I come back, come back to my village, definitely we'll have class. If I come back even 6, 7, I'll update you in the WhatsApp. Don't worry. If I can't come back, I can't take tomorrow, but definitely on Saturday and Sunday, I'll take again. But I'll call you all of you to offline because every one of you are close to me. Guntur, Vijayawada, some of you they came and staying here. So everyone is close to me. So I'll take you offline. April month I'll use you maximum for offline and I'll keep along with me. I'll get you 5 out of 5. Have confidence on me and confidence on you. Everything will work out. Don't worry. Next. Integral of minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 times integral of 0 to a f of x dx if f of minus x is f of x. is 0 if f of minus x is minus f of x. Please write this formula too. So now come back to this book, only this book, don't do anything else, waste. Just to do this book perfectly, and I'll give you some actual papers, 20 papers. I'll make you, everyone, I'll make you do 20 actual papers with me. You do those 20 actual papers, and these questions, these are also actual questions. You will get pakka 5 out of 5. Now all these are based on what I just right now. Try to do, if you can do, very good. If you can't do, don't worry. Most of them you can't do. Questions won't be so simple. If everything is simple, why people will come to me? These questions are based on what I said right now, what are the formulas, and previous class. First derivative and second derivative and everything. Okay, I'll just then I'll also tell you how to find average value. How to find average value? Sum of the terms by number of terms. So means, what is the meaning of sum of the terms? Integral of a to b f of x dx. That is sum of the terms. By what is number of terms? 1 upon b minus a. Number of terms. If I want to find average value of the function f of x in the closed interval a to b, it is 1 upon b minus a integral of a to b f of x dx. That is the average value formula. Using this formula, you'll be able to solve most of the questions. Try. If you have time, try. If I come tomorrow I'll solve with you most of the questions. I'll make you solve. Once I solve, you'll feel very easy. But when you solve, you find difficult. But when I start solving, you'll get hold on. Just solve 80-second question for today. Then I'll leave you. Everyone try to give me answer for 80-second question. 80-second question. Calculus, blindly do what I am saying. Even respect to subjects, whatever your teachers are saying, blindly do them. But for all subjects, whatever you are taking exam, I'll give you actual papers. I'll make you do them along with me. Mainly for offline students, I'll make them sit there and do and correct. I'll be there till you write exam. I'll be there with you. So you will get 5, but you need to put sincere efforts. Please try to do 80-second. It is based on fundamental theorem of calculus. There is second theorem of calculus. Okay. So see, you can write this function as integral of, we have a formula. What is the formula? Integral of a to b f dash x dx. F dash x dx. F dash x dx is f of b minus f of a. That is the formula, right? Now this is f of 2x, not f of x. So first you need to write 2x as t. You should not directly do, you'll get wrong answer. Take 2x as t. So 2 into dx will be dt. 2 into dx will be dt. So limits also will change. When x is equal to 1, lower limit is 2. When x is equal to 3, upper limit is 6. F of t, because 2x is t, now dx is dt by 2. So the 2 will come out. If f dash x is f of x, f dash t is f of t. So now this becomes 1 by 2 integral 2 to 6 f of t is capital F dash of t dt. Sorry, f dash of t dt. So f dash of t is f of 6 minus f of 2, because integral of differential function itself. So which is f of 6 minus f of 2 by 1 by 2. E for elephant is answer. Very good. Who gave me this answer? Very good. You have done very good job. Everyone will do. Don't worry. Whether you are 10th, 11th, 12th, everyone will do. So what you can do is go through all the formulas. Who are newers, first do only the questions that I did. First get familiar with how to do questions. Who are not, who knows the concept, they can try to do all these questions. What I'll do is next 3-4 classes, we'll try to do all these questions. Okay, so that you'll become perfect. Even non-calculator should be very good at using calculator also. I'll tell you, whenever I'm using calculator, you need to learn type Desmos calculator and try to using how to find differentiation and integration. Okay, yeah, I'll see you in the next class here, and I'm sending this recording. I'll update in YouTube and I'll send it to you soon. Only this recording, because this is important, and I'll also send this book to Lavanya. Please do it. You can do all these questions. Huh? I'll see you in next class. I'll update here when is next class. Take care.